He holds on to 7,500. Sensex also manages to close above 28,000. So that, in a sense, sums up the markets for you. It turned out to be a lazy start this week on Dalal Street. The markets moved sideways for most of the trade, with major indices holding on to marginal gains. The Nifty consolidated its gains above the 7,500 mark, but 7,550 is also providing some resistance onto the Sensex. That's within striking distance of 25,000. It did gain over 80 points in trade this Monday. Banking stocks were the stars in today's trade. That's the Nifty for you, 75.38, up by almost 29 points, or 0.4%. But like I told you, the banking stocks were the real stars. That index gained over 100 points. Anuj Singhal joining us to wrap up today's market action. Anuj, it's turned out to be a slow and steady day for this trading week, but at least one in the green.
Yeah, the market was in the green through the day. At no point did we see red, at least on the Sensex and Nifty. The mid-cap index did see a bit of a red once, but for the Sensex and Nifty, it was in the green, though it was all over the place. The market had positive, healthy consolidation today. Yes, it had a gap up that was sold a bit, but towards the end, there was another rally. And then again, you know, there was some bit of profit booking. So all in all, it was a decent day because the banks did well. The bank Nifty was, in fact, high today and led by the ICICI Bank. So overall, it was still a decent day where you would have made money in individual names. Let's talk about the stocks which were higher today. Stock of the day, well, there was a tussle between ICICI Bank and Tata Motors. If you see both the stocks, both were up close to 3.5%, and also decent volumes in both of them. ITC as well was up about 1%. So these were some heavyweights that supported the market. Some other nifty gainers in today's trade included stocks like KN India, that was up about close to 3.5%. Tech Mahindra as well, and BHEL was also higher in trade. What about losers? There were some stocks which were dragging the market today, stocks like Kotak, M&M and Sun Pharma. But as you can see, they were not large, less than 1% as far as losing stocks are concerned. Well, outside the index, you had big movers today. Crompton Greaves, it was the last day for the stock to be trading composite. It's all the businesses, and that stock was up 6%. Indocount has started to make a move, up 7%. And Sun TV, that was a big move after a really long time. Outside of these large stocks, sugar as a sector has been doing remarkably well, led by Dwarikesh Sugar, which over the last 1 year has gained 600%. More than that, actually, 9% higher in today's trade. Oud Sugar was up 11.5%. Dalmia Bharat Sugar was up about 4%. And just a word on Pfizer, which was the big loser because of that Corex issue. So that stock was down 8%. But all in all, a good day for the markets, a good day for the bulls, though there's some consolidation, some resistance around the 75.50 mark.